Hey everybody, I have a new package that arrived from EVbase today. Let's open it up and check it out. Let me tilt the box up and open it. On the top, we have a letter here to the owner, thanking them for their purchase. We have a QR code with support here. We also have a warranty and support card with a QR code for that, as well as phone number and the website. Let's take out one of these covers. They are nicely packaged with a thick foam piece in between each one. And then the cover itself is inside a plastic bag. And then it is wrapped in like a plastic saran wrap type of wrap here. Let me take that off. All right, here we go. This is the inside. We have some plastic, actually rubber covers for protection on the clips. I'll remove all of these. So if you look closely, you can see the clips here, 2 for each spoke. Very different design than what I'm used to. And now for the reveal. This is basically a flat disc of a cover. These are available in white and black. And they also can be optioned with these decals. The decals come from the company already attached, so you have to decide on what kind of sticker you want on it, and then they'll apply it. If you decide you don't want to have these stickers on, I think they are removable, but they are one-time use. So if you remove the sticker, that's it, it can't go back on. So underneath this is a shiny gloss plastic here, ABS plastic. There are some holes around the edges for airflow. I suppose for letting air in for the brakes, because I don't think you can totally cut off the airflow. Has a little hexagon nut type thing in the center. Interesting. And if I look closely, yeah, this is just one big sticker. And then right here is, I'm not sure what this is, this access. I think this, oh, you know what this is? This is for the valve stem, I'm pretty sure. So if you want to access the valve stem, this comes off. I think it's easier to do it from behind. All right, so let's check out the other ones and see if there's anything else in the box. Looks like it comes with additional valve stem cover areas here, in case these get lost. For some reason, this one comes with a little end cap here. One thing I want to mention is that the logos that they sell on the store are designed for the normal wheel covers that have kind of a rounded area on the hub. For these, due to the shape and the sticker on here, it will not attach to the center hub on this. So you'll have to leave this blank or find some other way if you want to attach a different type of logo for this cover. Yeah, so that's basically what these are. So let me install this onto the car and show you how it looks. Here are the existing EVbase wheel covers that I installed a couple months ago. They are also a fairly different look than the standard covers, especially the OEM covers. I'm going to remove this one and install the new covers. Just for comparison, the new covers are basically the same size. They cover the entire wheel area, including the edges up to the tires, so that if you have any wheels with curb damage, these will cover them. As with most of these covers, you need to work your way around the clips and pull them. So I am going to start on this side. So when you have all of the clips removed, the cover will come off. I always take an old rag and just clean the outside surface of the wheel so that there's no dirt or debris for the cover to catch on. One thing I want to mention about these covers is that you can see the metal spring right here that keeps the clip in position. However, when this is attached to the wheel, the plastic part is the part that attaches to the spokes. So you don't have to worry about scratching from the metal. The plastic is what touches the wheel. So with the cover here, we look for the little section right here, and this is where we're going to place over the valve stem cover. So I just line it up and then center it over the cap right here. And then what I need to do is start pressing around the edges, and it will snap into place. All right, now make sure that it is firmly seated by pressing down on all the spokes, and it is now firmly attached. Now, if you want to remove it, you just pull on these edges right here, gently, like that, like that. And then just slowly release all the spokes, and it comes right off. So very easy to install or remove. If you need to have any tire work done or brake work done, these are easily removable. So one more time, I'll install it, hold it up over the valve stem, like so. Press in the center, and then all around the edges, snap in. And there we go. I just need to do this for the other 3 wheels, and I'm all set. Here's a close-up look of the valve stem, and then here's where it is on the cover, and that's where you would place it. Here's another view from overhead. And here is the reveal of the final installation of these covers. I think they look very interesting. Something you will not see on another Tesla, most likely. They are aero covers. I can't vouch for the amount of efficiency that they can provide. I'll need to do some testing before and after to see if they make a difference. But in any case, I think they look pretty cool. A different look for your Tesla. And what's great about the 18-inch wheels on the Model 3 and the 19-inch wheels on the Model Y is that you can swap out covers. It's almost like getting a new set of wheels for a fraction of the price of a new set. Let's take it outside and see what it looks like in daylight. All right, here we go outside in the sunlight. We have these new aero covers with a geometric vinyl sticker on them. They come in black and white, but I went with this sticker. They have a lot of different other color combinations. Just go to the website and you can select from a wide variety, or you could just get the plain black or plain white. Let me know down in the comments how you feel about these. I figure they are going to be kind of polarizing. I think they look really cool. If you're interested in these wheel covers or any other items on EVbase, please see the link in the video description. Don't forget to use code RANGER for 20% off your purchase. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them down below. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.